think you can easily snag a $100 Crumbl gift card just by answering a few quick questions on cookiereviewer.com? At first glance, it sounds like a dream deal, just a little effort, and you get a nice reward in return. But as you start exploring the site, the situation quickly becomes much more complicated and far less appealing. Cookiereviewer.com advertises this tempting offer to get you to engage, but the process is filled with suspicious redirects that lead you away from the original site to a variety of sketchy third-party pages. These redirects are not only annoying but also raise serious concerns about what's really going on behind the scenes. The site provides zero transparency about who owns or operates it, which is always a big red flag when it comes to online offers like this. Without clear ownership or contact details, it's hard to trust where your information is going. Speaking of information, there's a good chance your personal data is being tracked, collected, or even sold to other marketers, as the site's privacy policies are vague at best. Even after spending your time answering surveys and completing the required tasks, there's no real proof or guarantee that you will ever receive the $100 gift card. This leads to frustration because instead of getting rewarded, you're left wondering if your time was completely wasted or worse, if your data is now out there being exploited. While the site doesn't seem to be a direct scam in the sense of stealing money outright, it's definitely misleading and borderline deceptive, baiting users with promises they have little intention of fulfilling. If you value your time and your personal information, it's wise to approach cookiereviewer.com with extreme caution and skepticism. This video breaks down the risks and realities behind the offer, so you can make an informed decision and avoid falling for what might just be a clever trap disguised as a sweet deal.